Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones LENOVO GM2 PRO. And the first one is to use adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect USB-C cable on the USB-C port on your headphones. And the second one to the power, of course. And now right here we can see a LED light here, so it means that it's charging. And the second option is to use your phone. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone didn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port on your headphones. And we still see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. These headphones didn't support wireless charging, so only this way. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!